It is important to check your progress regularly in order to tell if you are still on the right track in terms of finance. Set goals for yourself to measure. If you are not meeting the goals, the current way for income may not be working for you, or that the quality of the videos are falling. It might be a signal for you to work on some changes. Quality content is always the key to attract viewers. And to have high quality content you can never be lack of creativity. The internet is changing so fast that a trend can come and go within a week. New ways for you to gain extra revenue could pop up without you noticing. So be creative with your use of resources. Always explore new ways and ideas for production and you may have unexpected returns. Many websites were hard hit by Google's Panda, Penguin, and Hummingbird updates. If this happened to you, you're hurting. You can use YouTube to not only regain traffic, but also increase it. Get started with the Creator Playbook. Once you're set up, consider repurposing some older content into videos, as well as creating new videos. Make sure that you link to your own website in the first line of your video descriptions, so you can funnel your YouTube traffic to where you want it to go. If you're creating your own products or would like to, YouTube offers unlimited ways for you to promote your products and make sales. Products you can create include ebooks, apps, art, and music. Create your products, and add them to a shopping cart. Then use YouTube to promote them. Add a link to your product in your video's description, so that viewers can buy. Affiliate marketing means selling products in exchange for a commission. Hundreds of thousands of companies offer attractive deals to affiliate marketers who promote their products, including huge companies like Amazon and eBay, as well as smaller companies. Additionally, there are many affiliate networks you can join. These networks include ClickBank, Commission Junction, and ShareASale.com. To make money from YouTube as an affiliate marketer, review your affiliate products on video, or create how to use this product tutorials. Don't forget to link to your products in your YouTube descriptions. Make sure you're using your affiliate link, or you won't get credit for sales. Love telling stories? YouTube lets you create your own web TV shows. You're limited only by your imagination and your budget. You can create a comedy series, a drama series, or your own talk show. Be aware that YouTube limits your show's length to 15 minutes. To upload longer videos, you'll need to increase your limit. If you're a frustrated TV or screenwriter, get a few friends together, and record your own TV shows. You never know. If you get lots of views, you may develop a new career. YouTube stars can make a lot of money. 3 PewDiePie, despite having lost major advertisement recently, remains number one of the highest paid YouTube stars with $15 million in 2016. It was estimated that he could receive over $13,000 for a week of publications. If you've got quirky ideas, or are passionate about your interests, develop your YouTube channel. You never know, you may be the next YouTube star. After you've created several videos, it's time to join the YouTube Partner Program. All you need to do is enable your channel for monetization, and you'll receive your share of the income from advertising on YouTube. Tutorials are huge on YouTube. If you know how to do something, you can teach others, and make money from your videos. Beauty videos are popular. Michelle Fan. YouTube is an amazing resource for market research. You can soon discover whether your brilliant, innovative idea is likely to be profitable. For example, if you've got an idea for a product, but need funding, create some videos before you create a Kickstarter.com campaign. The views and comments on your videos will tell you whether your idea is viable in its present form. The YouTube audience can even help you to make it viable, so that your efforts to get funding are successful. 100 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. 4 This means that there's a huge competition for attention. You need to do everything you can to ensure that your videos get found. Your video's metadata will help. Metadata is data which gives information about your videos. In its Creator Playbook, YouTube tells you how to create your metadata. As marketing guru Tom Peters pointed out way back in 1997, you're a brand, and you have power. 5 YouTube helps you to amplify you. Whatever you're doing, and whatever your job, YouTube can help you to become known for your strengths, and make money. Even if you have no clear idea on how you could make money on YouTube, get started creating videos about your interests. You may just stumble across a gold mine, just as the people who turned their pets into stars have done. Two cats, Lil Bub and Grumpy Cat, started out on YouTube, and have become worldwide stars, with book deals. So keep your video camera handy. If you see something cute, video it, and upload the video. Don't forget the metadata. You never know who or what will be the next video sensation. Create that sensation, and you'll make money. So there you have it, 11 creative ways you can make money on YouTube. It would be much more easy for viewer to catch your content if you publish it in a specific time frame in a regular basis. It might also make them more tending to following your channel, which is to subscribe to you. It is crucial to have base audience which would always come for your content so that you can ensure your number of views for each video. This also is ensuring a steady amount of income. Crowdfunding is becoming more and more common with the introduction of Kickstarter and Indiegogo. It could be a great source of money if you have a great idea for a media project on YouTube. Not only does it generate your initial fund, it also contributes to establish audience and revenue for your project in the future. For example, famous YouTube channel Corridor Digital uses Patreon as a way to fund their videos or movie projects, with return of special perks for these supporters. Lots of company nowadays provide sponsorship to YouTube channels for direct advertisement. A common source would be Audible from Amazon, which frequently sponsor knowledge-giving shows such as Vsauce and Veritism. The good thing about it is that you can directly receive the sponsored amount rather than splitting it with YouTube. To reach for a sponsorship, you might need to work on a detailed proposal about the things you are able to provide. Make sure you know well about your audience and the brand you are approaching.